Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Copper Top Productions. In this week's video, we're going to be jumping in and making the second part, that part there where my thumb is, of the bench for the shed. This is the first section and the second section going right here. Now it's actually going to look a little bit different to what we originally had planned. You can see on the original one, kind of got more shelves than anything else, and although that'd be handy, it sort of makes all this wasted space down the bottom. So what I'm thinking is we might move the shelves down the bottom and do a cupboard up the top, but regardless, the sort of framework for it is all going to be the same. So we're going to jump through, make that real quick, and then we're going to talk about the next steps once that's all together so that we can get a good feel out for it. Let's jump into it, smash out this first section. Well, that could have come out a lot worse than it did. Welds are definitely getting better too. Mostly anyway. That one's pretty shit. A lot of this is only dot welded together because I want to make sure I can get it all square and proper. For most, this is pretty square. Like, I don't doubt that this is going to be you know, the concrete isn't perfectly flat here, which is a pain in the butt, but it's got a bit of a back and forth rock to it this way. But mostly, she's like pretty square. An itty bitty gap up there, but not enough to be, you know, like significantly major. Just enough to sort of have a bit of a rock. The most important part is this is the same height. So all in all, it's pretty damn good. I've just got to go over the parts where it's just dot welded and all fucking burnt back and finish those welds off after I probably beat it on one end with a hammer like this, with those two edges raised, just to bring that corner down, try and make it a little bit more square. Let's chuck this where it's going to go and have a gaze. Originally it was just going to be a set of like shelves at the top and empty at the bottom. Well, that empty portion of the bottom is a massive waste of space, so what I thought I'd do instead is break this bottom portion up into drawers, and this top section we'll close it around and put a door on the front. Might be a bit of a challenge, but it's what I'm willing to take on. It's only going to be one door and technically one big hinge or pole through two holes, so it shouldn't be too much of a challenge. Now, in saying that, I'm not going to be taking that on today because that is a lot more work than I can get done in the time that it's going to take me to finish this video, edit it, and upload it. So yeah, that's going to be it for this week's video. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have, leave a like, leave a comment down below telling me what you think, and if you haven't done already, hit the subscribe button to watch me build stuff so that I can build better stuff, so that I can make better content for you guys. I'm going to finish this now, go inside, edit and upload, because I've got like 3 hours to do all of that. Yep. Let's go.